Opening statements in Lori Vallow Daybell's latest trial with a convicted murderer imploring the jury to find her not guilty of conspiring to kill her niece's ex-husband.
She is representing herself in the third trial that she's faced in just as many years. The I-Team's Erica Stapleton was there for opening statements and breaks down what happened in the courtroom.
This jury has no idea that Lori Vallow Daybell has already been convicted in Idaho for killing her children and in Arizona for conspiring to kill her former husband. We're not expecting that backstory to come up in this case at all. But prosecutor Trina Kay gave the roadmap for her case that Lori Vallow Daybell conspired with her brother, Alex Cox, to kill Brandon Boudreau, her niece's ex-husband. Back in October 2019, investigators believe Lori's brother shot at Brandon outside his home in Gilbert. He wasn't injured, but he did call 911. The prosecutor said she will use text messages, surveillance footage, cell phone data, and license plate readers as some of the evidence to prove Vallow Daybell was part of this conspiracy. Vallow Daybell, who is representing herself, gave her own opening statement to the jury. The prosecutor had to object multiple times, claiming Vallow Daybell was either giving an argument or bringing up something inappropriate or unnecessary. Vallow Daybell told jurors that there was no animosity between her and Brandon, and she tried to allude that this was all a conspiracy against her.
Well, when the police were interviewing Brandon, they asked him if he had any enemies. Who would want to do this? And Brandon told the police the only people he could think of was Lori Vallow and Alex Cox.
So I implore you to listen carefully and decide for yourselves if the state's theory really makes logical sense. What motivation did I have? What malice have I ever shown to anyone? What benefit would I gain? I am a person who loves all people and has no malice towards anyone.
Lori Vallow Daybell's brother, Alex Cox, can't be charged in this case because he died in December 2019 before charges were filed. Brandon Boudreau was the state's first witness with emotional testimony, talking about his family, how it seemed Lori was trying to turn his then-wife against him. Then he described what it was like to really process the shooting.
When I saw the bullet hole, and I think maybe just kind of got a little bit of shock because it was real when I called 911, but then I kept thinking to myself, a bullet didn't come through my window. And, you know, I just, when I saw that, I just realized, like, no, someone is 100% trying to kill me.
Lori Vallow Daybell could not cross-examine Brandon Boudreau without some files from her investigator. We're expecting that will take place sometime Friday. Erica Stapleton, 12 News.
And 12 Plus will stream daily gavel-to-gavel coverage of the trial, so make sure you download 12 Plus on your TV to watch for free. We'll also have a nightly recap show at 8:30. Again, that is exclusively streaming on 12 Plus.